Forceful protest erupted in Srinagar against a blasphemous act by a non-local Hindutva activist. The protest, joined by the students and doctors at the Government Medical College in Srinagar, demanded punishment to the Hindutva activist who desecrated the name of the Holy Prophet ﷺ in a social media post. All parties Hurriyat Conference strongly denounced the sacrilegious act, saying that the Kashmiri Muslims would not allow anyone to mock their religion. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, urged the people to hold demonstrations after the Jummah prayers tomorrow against the heinous crime. Patron of Awami Ittihad Party and the MP-elect Engineer Abdul Rashid, in a message from the jail, vowed to continue fighting for the rights of the Kashmiri people in a democratic way. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti, in a statement, urged New Delhi to respect the people's verdict and release Engineer Rashid. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service has maintained that custodial killings have become a norm in the occupied Kashmir. The report revealed that the thousands of youth have been tortured to death in the Indian Army-run interrogation centers for the past 34 years. Body of a Bandipora youth was recovered from the Jhelum after 6 days. The youth, identified as Muhammad Iqbal Dar, had gone missing on June 1st. Non-gazetted Police Pensioners Welfare Forum staged a protest in Jammu for the pending demands. The protesters, retired police personnel, are demanding benefits like the pay anomaly resolution and the medical facilities.